how are you? Fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's topic is about the fascinating life of Prophet Hazrat Yousif al-Islam, who is also known as Jacob. Prophet Yousif was born in 1747 BC in present-day Palestine and died in 1637 BC in Egypt at the age of 110 years. Mother's name Rachel bint Laban, most beautiful person on the earth. He was 13 years old when his brothers threw him into jail due to jealousy. Remained in jail for 3 days. He had 11 step-brothers, mentioned in the Holy Quran 26 times in 3 surahs, Surah Yousif, mentioned in the Holy Quran 26 times in 3 surahs, Surah Yousif, Surah Imam and Surah Mu'min. Buried in Baitul Muqaddas. His sister's name was Dina. Real brother's name is Benjamin. Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, called him as a saint. His story is the prettiest story of the world. His life is mixture of sufferings and exaltations. Whatever happened to him was from the God. His life revolves around the interpretation of dream, love of a woman for him, and love for his parents. He was sold in the market of Egypt on most exorbitant price. Al-Aziz, a treasurer of king of that time, referred as Potiphar in the Bible, purchased him. Al-Aziz purchased him to make him his son, as he had no any siblings. His wife Khadija fell prey to his unparalleled beauty. The will of God made Al-Aziz important so that he would not touch the future wife of Prophet Yousif al-Islam. He was elevated from the veil to the highest place of prophethood. His wife Khadija liked and loved Prophet Yousif and tried to seduce him. Almighty Allah saved him from sin. A little child witnessed his veracity. The love of Khadija for him was at the ultimate stage. His love story is not seen in the history of mankind. Khadija brought many queens to show them the beauty of Hazrat Yousif al-Islam. On seeing the beauty of Yousif, these queens cut their fingers and astonished on the beauty. This love story is created by the Allah Almighty to create future course of life. She asked her husband to imprison Prophet Yousif in jail for many years for not obliging her demand. She later on repented and left her home, lived in solitude for more than a decade in forest. She prayed to Allah Almighty that she will accept his faith, provided she is given back his love, the Yousif. She was also a beautiful woman, but lost prestige in his love. The love story of Yousif and Khadija is mentioned in the Holy Quran and also known as Qasasul Anbiya, means stories of Anbiyas, prophets. The sad years in jail turned his life. He remained in jail for his folly, that he asked favor from a prisoner, not from the Almighty Allah. He spent 12 years in jail as he said 12 words to the prisoner for his release. that brought the wrath of Allah, who is omnipotent. After some time, the king saw a dream that perturbed him. The king wants the interpretation of his dream. The attendant of king remembered the Yousif al-Islam and narrated the story to the king about the veracity of the Yousif al-Islam. The king brought the Yousif, and after listening, the interpretation of his dream made Prophet Yousif the guardian of the food. He was reportedly 30 years old when he was summoned to the king. The king addressed him in 70 languages, and each time Prophet Yousif answered him in that language. Yousif became powerful because the king of Egypt had faith in him, and the people loved and revered him. The king of Egypt converted to the faith of Allah at the hands of Yousif or Hazrat Yousif. The prayer of Zulaykha and the love for Yousif attracted a blessing from the God. Allah Almighty restored youth and beauty to Zulaykha. They were married and lived happily. Tomb is near Jacob's Well on the outskirts of West Bank city of Nablus, Israel. The reunion of his family is a fascinating story cited in the Holy Quran. He met with his family after few decades. The tribulation endured even by the family of Prophet shows us to bear the sufferings with patience and seek mercy only from Allah Almighty God. Wish you good luck. Take care of yourself and others. Be a good human. Please forward to other friends. Thank you very much.